Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Shadowban on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve Shadowban on Snapchat, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you click OK. Here in this list you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache, but don't click manage storage because that can delete your data. And in the end of all these steps you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.